Her nose.
Careful, buddy.
Can you sing to her again? She does like the song. See, she's not crying anymore. Can you give her the passy?
I can give a passy.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, that's a good song too. That's so nice, Dex. Oh, good. Okay, you can let go now. She's sucking. See? There.
I will stop. Take it away.
Good job, Dex.